Hello and welcome to Business Planet. Microfinance can be a great way to foster entrepreneurship. Dadari in Tbilisi is much more than just a toy company. Out of the firm's 7 employees, 3 have disabilities. All the firm's products comply with EU standards. The toys are made from solid wood and painted in organic colours. Dadari was able to obtain just over €8,000 from Credo Bank. The microfinance was possible thanks to credit from Europe.
Our enterprise needed a loan to expand the existing production. We used the money to renovate our existing premises, to rent additional space, and to buy the necessary materials.
Finding work for those with special needs in Georgia is next to impossible, making Dadari almost unique and a real ray of light. What are you doing?
I'm making toys and I'm good at it.
The toy company already distributes and sells across Germany online, but is hoping to grow when Georgia fully aligns itself with EU production standards next year.
The plan is to expand our production, to build new contacts with European companies, to offer corporate services to successful businesses, which will give us the opportunity to employ more people and strengthen the social element inside the company.